It's boat season. Finally. It's Mac. We are back, baby. Spring is in the air, finally. We got some open water. So we're gonna try to get the boat in the water today. We gotta break in this big boy right here. Brand new Yamaha. So we're gonna try to put in a couple hours today, motoring around, maybe do a bit of fishing, but we'll see. But the main goal today, put this puppy in, fire it up for the first time ever, and do the full break-in process. As you can see, ready for success today. Got my brand new gas station shades on, picked them up last night. Looking deadly as ever. So we're gonna try to get this boat in here, trying to hit a rock, trying to cause any damage. Success is the mission today. And maybe a few fish. Not too bad. Okay, we made it out. First order of business, always life jacket, especially early season. This water is freaking cold, and if you go in, probably not coming out. As you can hear, this thing is purring like a kitten. Beauty. So we're gonna do some touring around, burn some gas, break this baby in, see what happens. Let's go! We put 1 hour on the new Yamaha, baby. Let's go. Officially able to go up to 4,000 RPM safely. So we're gonna do some more cruising, then we're gonna do some casting. We're gonna try to put on at least another hour or two on here today, and then we're gonna see what we can do. Let her eat. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Hang in there, almost fishing time. Update. She rolled over to 2 hours now. She's running tip top. So I'm gonna go crack her open a couple times, let her howl, see how much bark she's got to her. And then we're gonna go up here, slide up a little creek, and go pitch for some walleye, see what we can do. Might be some big pike in there too. See what this baby's got first, then it's fishing time. Gonna do a little bit more playing around, then it's fishing time. Okay, we're live. Alrighty, I'm sick of driving around in circles. Yeah, it's super nice to be able to finally get the boat in the water and drive around, but it's a pity not to be fishing. Such a beautiful day. So we're gonna go push up into a little creek here. Gonna do our best to get up into some super skinny water because, like I said, this is the start of the year. Ice just came off this lake probably 4 or 5 days ago. A lot of lakes in the area up here are still ice covered. So we're gonna be pushing pretty shallow up into some creeks, trying to find some fish. Likely gonna be spawning or just post spawn. So we'll see what we can get into. Okay, first cast, here we go. First jig donated. Oh no, might be getting it back. Never know. Not ideal. Gonna swap that out. Put on this Kalen's Google Eye jig, get a few casts, see how long the eyeballs last. They'll probably bust off right away. There's one, right at the boat. Walleye, walleye, walleye. Smacked him. That's a perfect eater. Let her go. There's one. Another little guy. Ooh, spunky. Little male. These walleye are lucky. My freezer is already full. There we go. Better fish too, I think. Really fighting in the current out here today. Look at that. Catching walleye in the creeks. Pretty cool. Hard to beat it. Busy, busy, busy.
Halfway almost.
Always projects on the go.
Always. Mac's dad's here helping out, so that's huge help.
Huge help. That explains the extra dogs. Wherever Jack is. This is Ruben. So I did my little motor break-in yesterday, and we've been busy on home projects. Emily and I got our first home.
Exciting.
Pretty exciting stuff. Season's on the way. More videos to come.